Here are my answers to some of the commonly asked questions regarding UAE labor law. My name is Yogesh. I have 18 years of experience in HR, and today I am answering some of the commonly asked questions. Question number 1. Do employers in UAE have to provide health insurance? Yes, employers in UAE are responsible for providing health insurance to all their employees. This is required as per UAE labor law as well. Article 13 of decree number 33 of UAE labor law. Number 2. Can my employer in UAE force me to take a lunch break? In fact, employers can't make you work for more than 5 hours straight without giving you at least one break as per UAE labor law. So it is your right to have this break as outlined in the labor law, and they have to, as per Article 18, they have to give you a break after 5 working hours. Question number 3. Is it legal for my employer in the UAE to disclose my salary to other employees? No, it is not legal for your employer to share your salary details with others without your permission. Your salary information is confidential and protected by privacy laws of UAE. In fact, Article 4 talks about equality and non-discrimination as well. Number 4. Can my employer in UAE monitor my personal computer or phone? Okay, so employers cannot monitor your personal devices such as your phone or laptop without your consent. However, if it is company-owned device, monitoring will be allowed if you have been informed about it through policies. Question number 5. Can my employer track my phone location during working hours in UAE? And the answer is yes, employers can track company-owned devices, phones, and only if they have communicated this to you. Tracking your personal phone, however, without your consent is not allowed, and it violates privacy laws of UAE. Number 6. Can my employer deny my annual leave in UAE? Okay, so your employer can reschedule your annual leave if business needs require it, but they cannot deny it altogether. Annual leave is your right under the law, Federal Decree number 33, Article 29, Clause 4. Question number 7. Can my employer change my work schedule in UAE without prior notice? Employers should notify you of any change to your work schedule and get your agreement in advance unless it is an emergency or something explicitly mentioned in your contract, such as nature of your job, and this is as per Article 7 and 13 of the UAE labor law. Can my employer reduce my salary in UAE? No, your employer cannot reduce your salary without an agreement with you. Any change to your salary needs your consent and a signed amendment to your employment contract with MOHRE. Question number 9. Do employers in UAE have to pay out unused annual leaves? And the answer is yes. If you have unused annual leave and you leave your job, your employer must compensate you for it. The payment is calculated based on your basic salary, however, as per Article 29. Can I be terminated without notice in UAE? And the answer is yes. Termination without notice is only allowed in serious cases like misconduct. Otherwise, your employer must follow the notice period stated in your contract. This is as per Article 44 of Decree number 33 of 2021. Can my employer withhold my salary in UAE? Okay, no. Withholding your salary is not allowed unless it is for specific reason, such as a court order or agreed upon penalties or any advances you might have taken from the company. Can my employer in UAE monitor my internet activity at work? Okay, so employers can monitor your internet usage on company devices, company systems, if they have clearly informed you about it. In certain industries, it is important as well. However, monitoring your personal online activity without your consent is not allowed. Question number 13. Can I be terminated in UAE for searching for another job? Okay, looking for another job is not a valid reason for termination unless it affects your work or involves misusing company time and resources. Question number 14. Can my employer in UAE require me to work overtime? And the answer is yes. Your employer can ask you to work overtime, but it is limited to only 2 hours per day, and you must be compensated for that as per the UAE Labour Law article number 19. Question number 15. Do UAE employers have to pay employees during public holidays? The answer is yes, of course. Employees have to be paid for public holidays. If you work on a public holiday, you are entitled to extra pay or a substitute day off as per Article 28 of UAE Labour Law.